Hi everyone, so now we'll solve a very interesting problem using the concepts that we have learned so far. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain you the question. The question is very simple. It says we are given two 32-bit numbers n and m, and we are also given two bit positions I and j. So we need to write a method to set all the bits between I and j in n equal to m. So let me give you one example also. So if you look at this is what n is given, this is what m is given. So what I want is I want to put m inside n from index uh, j to I. Okay, so starting from index j till the index I want to put all the bits of n which should be same as m. Okay, this is what we need to do. So let me try to show it to you. So we have n 1 followed by, let's say, 10 zeros. Okay, and indices is 2 and 6, so basically it is like this: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. I want to replace these bits with the bits from m. So the bits from m are 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so basically these bits may also have 1, or they may also have something else as well. I don't know, but what I want is, if I want to replace these bits with this, so first I need to clear these bits. Okay, so first I need to clear the bits from index j to I, and for that we have already implemented one function in one of the lectures. So we can first call that function clear bits j to I, and once we have that, what we can do, we can do an OR with m, but m should also have these number of zeros here. Okay, that means m should be left shifted by a factor of I. So what we need to do, we need to create left shift m by a factor of I, and we need to clear the bits in n, and once we are done that, we can do the OR operation of n in which these bits are already set to 0 with m which has been shifted to the right index, and then we will get the right result. Okay, so that's it, that's what we need to do. So if I give you this example now, you can see the output is like this. So I will first copy this function clear bits in the range j to I. I will paste it here, and let me just comment out the problem statement. And now what we need to do, we need to create this method void replace bits. I have n, I have I have j, I have m. So what we need to do, first we need to call the clear bits in range method. I give n, I and j, and then we need to create a mask. Okay, so mask is nothing but m left shift I, and finally we need to return, or we need to say n equals to n or mask. That's it, and we are done. Okay, so let us look at one example. Let's say n is 15, I is 1, j is 3, and m is 2. So if I say, okay, replace bits n, I, j and m, and if I do cout n now, I should see some output. Let us try to build this code, and let us try to run it. So this is, so I'm getting an answer 5. So let's see what we have done. So we have n which is 15, so it is 1 1 1 1. We have I and j, so this is 0 1 2 3. I said, okay, replace these bits with bits of 2. So what is 2? 2 is 1 0. Okay, so 2 is 0 1 0, and this is what we are going to get. Okay, now if you see, these bits are replaced. So what we did, we first cleared these bits, we made this number as 0 0 0 1, then we left shifted 2 by a factor of I. So 2 by doing a left shift of I becomes like this, and then we do a OR operation, so it becomes 0 1 0 1, which is equal to 5. That means our code is working as expected, and we are done. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you.